Have you ever felt that unmistakable pang of regret? The feeling of watching a train pull away from the station, knowing you should have been on it. Right now, in the world of money, there is a golden train, and it is moving at breathtaking speed. Just a few years ago, it was a distant whisper. Today, it's a roaring headline. Gold has shattered all-time records, surging past an incredible $4,300 an ounce. The charts look less like a gradual climb and more like a rocket launch. Everyone is talking about it. Your neighbor, the news anchor, the expert on that podcast. And as you stand on the platform, watching this golden express streak towards the horizon, a single urgent question echoes in your mind. Have I missed it? Is it too late to get on board? It's a question born from a powerful fear. The fear of missing out on one of the biggest financial stories of our time. Welcome back to BrainFuel Reads. Today on another episode of What If series, we are going to stop watching the train and start examining the engine. We'll explore the powerful forces driving gold to these historic highs, confront the difficult question of whether it's too late to invest, and reveal the 3 critical considerations you must understand before you buy a single ounce. Stick around, because this isn't just about gold. It's about how to make smart decisions when the world is shouting, "Hurry up!" Before we answer, is it too late? We have to address the psychology at play. It's human nature to get interested in something only after it has performed spectacularly. We see the price of gold soaring, and our instinct is to chase it, hoping to catch the ride up. But this is like trying to drive a car by looking only in the rearview mirror. You're making decisions based on where the asset has been, not where it's going. The question, is it too late, is often a speculator's question. It implies you're looking for a quick profit. But the truly wealthy don't ask if it's too late. They ask a much more powerful question. What is this for? Understanding the purpose of gold is the key to escaping the chaser's trap. To do that, we first need to understand what's fueling this fire. Gold's incredible surge isn't random. It's being driven by 3 powerful global forces acting in perfect concert. First, there is the inflation shield. Imagine your cash is sitting out in a steady acid rain. This is inflation. Over time, it slowly erodes the purchasing power of your dollars. Gold, for thousands of years, has been seen as the ultimate shield against this rain. It's a real, tangible asset that can't be printed by a government. So, when people fear their currency is losing value, they flock to gold to preserve their wealth. Second, there is the storm shelter. Our world, as you know, is filled with uncertainty. Recent geopolitical conflicts, trade disputes, and political instability have created massive storms in the financial markets. During these storms, investors rush out of volatile assets and into safe havens. Gold is the world's oldest and most trusted financial storm shelter. Its value isn't tied to any single country's success or any company's profits. It's a universal symbol of stability in a chaotic world. And third, the giants are buying. This is the reason you may not see on the nightly news. While individuals are wondering if they should buy, the world's central banks, the financial giants, have been buying gold at a historic pace. They are quietly diversifying their reserves away from the US dollar and into the timeless security of physical gold. When the smartest and biggest players in the room are all making the same move, the market pays attention. Now we can answer the real question. Is it too late to buy gold? The answer depends entirely on your answer to this. Are you trying to buy a lottery ticket, or are you trying to buy a life raft? If you are a speculator, chasing that speeding train hoping for a quick profit, then yes, it might be too late. Buying any asset after it has hit an all-time high is incredibly risky. You might be buying at the absolute peak, just before a correction. Chasing momentum is a dangerous game. But if you are an investor, you see gold differently. You're not trying to time the market, you're building an all-weather financial ship. For you, gold isn't a ticket to get rich quick. It's a financial life raft. You don't buy a life raft hoping to use it tomorrow. You buy it for the peace of mind of knowing it's there if you ever face a catastrophic storm. Its purpose is to hold its value and protect your wealth when everything else is sinking. From this perspective, it's never too late to make your ship safer. If you've decided you need a life raft, not a lottery ticket, you must proceed with a clear strategy. Here are the 3 critical considerations from the captain's log. First, the 5% rule. Gold is a defensive asset. It's insurance. And just as you wouldn't spend half your income on insurance, most financial advisors recommend allocating only a small portion of your portfolio to gold. Typically no more than 5 to 10%. Gold is the spice in your portfolio, not the main course. It's there to add stability, not to be the primary driver of growth. Second, physical versus digital. Do you want to hold the key to your own vault, or own a share of a much larger one? You can buy physical gold, on coins or bars, which gives you direct ownership but comes with challenges of storage and security. Or you can buy a gold ETF, an exchange-traded fund, which tracks the price of gold and trades like a stock. It's convenient and liquid, but you don't physically own the metal. You must decide which form of ownership aligns with your goals. And third, remember, gold is not a business. A stock represents ownership in a company that produces goods, earns profits, and potentially pays dividends. A property can generate rental income. Gold does neither. It doesn't produce anything. It doesn't pay you to own it. Its value comes from its scarcity and its role as a store of value. It is a silent, patient guardian of wealth, not a productive worker. The noise around gold right now is deafening. The headlines are shouting, and the fear of missing out is real. But true financial wisdom is rarely found in the shouting. It's found in the quiet, strategic decisions we make when we understand the why behind our actions. Gold is not a speeding train to guaranteed riches. It is a timeless anchor in a stormy sea. Its value isn't measured in the price it hits tomorrow, but in the security it provides over decades. So is it too late to buy gold? Only you can answer that. But the question isn't about timing a volatile market. It's about deciding if your financial ship needs an anchor. And that is a decision that is never out of date. Thanks for joining me on this journey of What If series. If this video gave you a new perspective on gold, hit that like button and subscribe to BrainFuel Reads. And let's have a thoughtful discussion in the comments. What role does gold, or any safe haven asset, play in your personal financial plan? Until next time, keep your brain fueled.